Если меня твои nosy feel.
'Twas a warm June night in gay Paris, when across the cafe I saw true love sitting across from me. I smiled at her, she smiled at me, her blush filled me with ecstasy. I strolled on over and put my hand on her shoulder. I introduced myself and kissed her hand. She smiled and said, "Let's skip the band." We went to my flat, where she was flat, until nothing was left but sweat. I said, "We're not done yet." She said, "Honey, I need my money." And then I realized she was nothing but a whore. Now my love is no more, just another soul in the pit, as here I sit, alone